Page 86, it's Autumn All Right. This is an example of a score where you have a singer with piano accompaniment. No big deal. There are 3 stabs and they're all connected with a vertical line. You can do them all at the same time. And the piano part is the grand staff, which is the 2 stabs with a curly brace. That's what you're looking for, is a grand staff. So I still look it over. It's 4/4 time. The clef signs for the piano part, treble and bass, so cover that. No sharps or flats in the key signature. We're in the key of C major, okay. 4/4 time signature. First I want to hear the melody. And this appears to be for more than one person, where more than one person can sing it. You can have a singer and backup singer or singers. There could be more than one. So the melodies, the pickup to measure 5 is here, 4 and 4. And while the singer holds this out, the backup singers could do this quietly in the background. And then so get an idea what the melody sounds like. Nobody said you had to like it. That's just what it is. And you can leave out the backup singer stuff. I mean, you don't have to have them. You have one person. They're just going to sing that. That's fine too. Then we'll see how the piano part, I'm just going to play the piano part here. And you can go through one hand at a time in the whole routine if you want. Generally with this, I just kind of play it and see what I can do. It's here. Sort of what it sounds like, a rough estimate of what it sounds like, kind of get it in my head. Because if you're actually going to accompany someone, if you're in a teaching situation, you may have to help them with their part. That means you got to know your part really well. Now, a couple of things here. One is, if you have a singer who knows their part and they can sing this melody, they're confident in it, they know what their notes are, then the piano part, when you get there, you need to play in the background. Even though you're playing the same notes, you need to play those in the background, softly, soft. Let the singer come out. So the singer's part is indicated mezzo piano. You need to come down to soft or very soft, even on those same notes. Here, keep them in the background so the singer can be heard. If you have a singer who doesn't have the confidence to sing the notes, so they don't know the part well, not sure the notes, whatever, then you can play the melody notes out a little more, so the singer can hear them better and follow them. Ideally, the singer doesn't need to follow you. You follow the singer, so the singer needs to know their part. They need to know their notes. Once you've established the harmony here with the intro, you're playing their part. Once they have that in their head, they should be able to just take it and sing it with confidence. And then you just lay out in the background, stay out of the way. Now, if you have the backup singers and they need help, then you need to play those notes too. So for them. But if they know they're not their part, then again, you don't even need to play their part. Just play the piano part as it's written. Yeah. Now this is a gentle piece, and we want it to kind of flow and be gentle. We got to do something with this piano part. Now, in a lot of these accompaniment things, they will not give you any pedaling indication. That's not the purpose. This isn't a piano piece. This is a solo, a vocal solo. And the piano is just going to accompany. So you don't get any pedaling indications most of the time. But we clearly need them because we want to connect this. Now we can't with this piano part. We can't connect that because I'm going to play the E again. So we need the pedal to help us out. So we got to figure out how are we going to pedal this so it sounds good without getting yucky. A lot of people, when they play the piano, they just pedal everything. Generally, you change it with the harmony and don't worry about it. So it'll be like this. They would just pedal it like that. And then the singer would sing and the audience would clap and everybody's happy. The problem is the piano part sounds like junk when you play it like that. Don't play it like that. We don't need that. All of that. We want it to be sort of clean. So what I can do is maybe lift up on the fourth beat. But I need to connect that. So I can't do that. So what I'm going to do to help clean it up a little is when I have a repeated note, like in the first measure, the eighth notes, the E, it's repeated. I can't connect it. I need the pedal. I'm going to pedal those. And second measure, the eighth notes, the F is repeated. I'm going to pedal that. In the third measure, there's no repeated note I got to worry about in the eighth notes. I can connect those. So I don't need to pedal the third beat in the last beat in the third measure. So the introduction. So in the third measure, I just don't pedal the last beat. Keeps it clean. And then when the soloist comes in, I don't need to pedal the last beat anymore because now I don't have the repeated notes. I can clean it out. So it's... Next to the last measure, I'll leave that up to you. You can pedal every two beats. Or what I'll do, just keep it clean, out of the way, and let the soloist come out. Now in measure 4, this is where the singer comes in. It's a new phrase. Lift up here, but connect this. Same thing on measure 8. When you finish that, lift up. It's a new phrase. Otherwise, I think I'm pretty much connecting this melody. You have to follow the singer and what they do in most cases, but sometimes just because the singer is taking a breath or something, you don't have to make silence for them. You can keep it connected on your part. You have to work that out. That's what rehearsals are about. So the two of you are together as a unit, one team, you're thinking alike. I didn't mention speed and all that, but you can figure it out from gently what you think it should be. So I don't do a play with me on this. So hopefully you'll be okay with it. Let me know if you have any questions.